Hi friends, welcome back to Theo's channel. Today I wanted to address one question that I've been getting so much. So before I jump into it and share my experience on how to get your golden doodle or your mini golden doodle to stop biting, I first have a couple of housekeeping announcements. One, please go down to the comment box below and tell us what other issues you're having trouble with. This helps us create videos that add value and are helpful to you, so we really need your input. Two, make sure you subscribe while you're there. We're creating these videos for you and we love our YouTube family, don't we, Theo? And so we really need your support to help keep these videos going. And three, Theo the Dude is Theo's Instagram handle. If you guys want to see daily videos of Theo and all of his cuteness, then please make sure to go and follow him there. I'm going to put the link in the box below. Last thing. We have actually put together a quick little guide of 10 things that you need to know if you're even thinking about getting a mini golden doodle. Guys, I did months and months and months of research, like more than 6 months of research, and I put together a guide to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that I get. This guide is completely free. It's for you guys. I hope that it helps you when you decide on bringing a furry friend into your family. So put your email at the link that I'm going to put in the box below, and when you put your email at the link in the box, we are going to email you the guide, and hopefully it'll help. Okay, last thing. Here we go. Theo, you ready to tell them how we stop biting? All right, high five. Yeah, we're ready. Okay, so hopping right into this, one of the things that I was advised to get our dog to stop biting was to use something called an apple bitter spray. Now, that apple bitter spray did not work for us. Theo loves apples, didn't know that, but thought it would work. Now, there's a few things that you need to know. If your dog is biting things that is like shoes or clothing, some people said socks, Theo never did that. Hello, sit. Who are you shaking? Who are you shaking? Theo never did socks, but he did do sit down. Good boy. But he did get into our shoes a little bit. Now they say that your dog will get into your shoes if he misses you during the day. Now if you have a puppy, you should be crate training if that's what you decide to do. That's what we decided to do, and that helps eliminate a lot of those issues. Now, if your dog is out of its crate, or you decided not to crate train, or you're just having issues with biting and things getting into your dog, then try this. So, if you have shoes or things that are getting bitten, put them away. Straight up, right? If you have doors, make sure that they're closed during the day. If you have curtains that are on the ground, pull them up, put them on top of the sofa so that he just can't get to them. Now, for the things that you really can't avoid, like furniture legs, we were advised to spray something called an apple bitter spray. That really didn't work for us. Things that you can't pick up and move, like your rug and your sofa and your table, if your dog starts to bite on things like that, you're gonna see those marks and it's really gonna ruin the quality of your home. So, this is our trick. A lemon. Homeboy hates this thing. Now this is an older lemon, so he may not have, oh I know, he may not have the same, he's like literally playing dead. He may not have the same effects to it, but what happens is that if you have a little piece on the ground, you can actually cut this lemon into a couple of different pieces and put it right next to the area that you don't want the dog to touch. Now the dog isn't going to move the lemon because he hates the lemon. Also lemon bitter spray. Now you can put lemon bitter spray on places that won't get tarnished, so be careful and spot check before you do any kind of real woods. But any kind of legs and furniture that you want to keep out, spray that lemon bitter spray. I'm going to link it in the box below. Now, if you don't have lemon bitter spray, or you just want to make sure the little pieces like a rug that he keeps pulling out don't get tarnished, cut up a lemon, and you're going to condition your dog to kind of avoid that area. Now, lemon isn't harmful for them in any way, it's just a smell and an acidic flavor that they just really don't like. Theo, you want a lemon? You want a lemon? Do you want here, you want a lemon? Oh no? Oh, no lemon? Here you go, here's a lemon. So if he's ever trying to come at us with like chocolate, we're eating chocolate or something, we'll be like, oh, we can't give you that, but we'll give you a lemon. You want a lemon? You want a treat? Oh, he won't even come for the treat because I have a lemon in my hand. You want the treat? Do you want the lemon? Do you want the lemon? Do you want the lemon? Lemon? Lemon. Okay, he hates lemon, guys. Such a small hack. but we love Theo and he is good and house trained, but this is how you condition them as puppies to do the things that we want them to do so that they are good, happy, friendly members of our home. Hope this video helped, guys. Please make sure to subscribe and follow Theo on Instagram. Be sure to download that link if you're even thinking about getting a Goldendoodle. If you have a Goldendoodle, tell me what tips I missed so that we can all welcome these furry, sweet little gentle creatures into our lives lovingly. Come here, come say bye. Come here. Come here, come say bye. You want the lemon? You want the lemon? No.